Welcome to Virtual Voyagers. Hey Voyagers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're ditching the hustle and bustle of everyday life for a fun-filled weekend getaway in Atlantic City, New Jersey. We're heading to a place that combines the thrill of the casino floor with the laid-back charm of the Jersey Shore. The iconic Tropicana Atlantic City. Get ready for boardwalk strolls, delicious bites, and maybe even a lucky streak at the roulette table. First impressions, a grand welcome. The Tropicana immediately makes a grand impression. As you pull up to the entrance, the impressive facade with its vibrant colors sets the tone for a lively and exciting stay. Stepping inside, the expansive lobby stuns with soaring ceilings, elegant chandeliers, and a welcoming atmosphere. The friendly staff greets you with a smile and efficiently checks you in, ensuring your weekend escape starts smoothly. Unveiling the room, comfort with a view. The room at the Tropicana offers the perfect blend of comfort and luxury. Stepping through the door, we're greeted by a spacious living area with modern furnishings and pops of color that reflect the resort's vibrant vibe. Large windows bathe the room in natural light, and sliding them open reveals the true star of the show, a private balcony overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. Imagine waking up to the sound of crashing waves and starting your day with a cup of coffee while enjoying the breathtaking ocean view. It's the perfect spot to unwind after a day of exploration or simply soak in the energy of the boardwalk. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a spa-like shower, luxurious bath products, and fluffy towels. Everything has been meticulously designed to create a haven of relaxation and rejuvenation. A culinary journey, from casual to upscale delight. A trip to Atlantic City isn't complete without indulging in its diverse culinary scene, and the Tropicana offers a world of flavors to tantalize your taste buds. For a casual breakfast or lunch with a view, head to the Quarter at Tropicana. This bustling marketplace features a variety of quick-service options, from fresh salads and sandwiches to Asian-inspired stir-fries and classic American fare. If you're looking for a more upscale dining experience, head to one of the Tropicana's signature restaurants. La Tacana offers a modern take on American cuisine, while the Palm serves up mouth-watering steaks and classic seafood dishes. For a taste of Italy, head to Il Mulino, New York for an elegant dining experience featuring exquisite pastas, pizzas, and authentic Italian specialties. No matter your craving, the Tropicana has something to satisfy your appetite. Casino thrills and entertainment galore. Of course, Atlantic City is synonymous with casino gaming, and the Tropicana offers one of the most exciting gaming experiences on the East Coast. The sprawling casino floor features a vast array of slot machines, from classic penny slots to high roller favorites. For those who prefer table games, there's everything from blackjack and roulette to craps and poker. Whether you're a seasoned gambler or just trying your luck for the first time, the Tropicana offers an electric atmosphere that'll keep you entertained for hours. But the Tropicana isn't just about the casino. The resort offers a variety of entertainment options to keep you engaged throughout your stay. Catch a live music performance at one of the many bars and lounges, or enjoy a hilarious comedy show at the Laugh Factory. If you're looking for something a bit more intimate, the Tropicana showroom hosts a variety of live music acts and theatrical productions throughout the year. Beyond the casino, rejuvenation and pampering. After a day of exploring the boardwalk or trying your luck at the casino, unwind and rejuvenate at the spa at Tropicana. The luxurious spa offers a haven of tranquility with a variety of treatments designed to melt your stress and restore your well-being. From relaxing massages and facials to invigorating body wraps and detoxifying scrubs, the spa caters to every need. Indulge in a couples massage for a romantic retreat, or treat yourself to a personalized treatment designed to target your specific concerns. The spa also features a state-of-the-art fitness center, a serene relaxation area, and a salon offering hairstyling and nail services. Family fun in the sun, a place for all ages. The Tropicana isn't just for adults. The resort offers plenty of activities to keep the whole family entertained. The expansive pool complex features multiple pools, a lazy river, and a thrilling water slide, perfect for cooling off on a hot summer day. For younger children, there's an interactive play zone with water features and plenty of space to run and play. Kids and teens can also enjoy the arcade with classic and modern video games, while the whole family can challenge themselves at a round of miniature golf on the resort's 18-hole course. Boardwalk adventures and beyond. Step outside the Tropicana and you're right on the iconic Atlantic City Boardwalk. This vibrant pedestrian mall is a must-visit for any visitor. Stroll along the boardwalk, stopping to explore the variety of shops and souvenir stands. Grab a delicious funnel cake or a refreshing ice cream cone and soak up the lively atmosphere. For a bird's-eye view of the city and the ocean, take a ride on the iconic Atlantic City Ferris wheel. Beyond the boardwalk, Atlantic City offers a variety of activities and attractions. Explore the fascinating history of the city at the Atlantic City Historical Museum, or test your bravery at one of the many haunted house attractions. Catch a live show at the iconic Boardwalk Hall, or take a day trip to explore the nearby beaches and coastal towns. Unforgettable nights, live music, and ocean views. As the sun sets over the Atlantic Ocean, Tropicana transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife. Sip on handcrafted cocktails at one of the many stylish bars and lounges, or catch a live music performance on the rooftop bar with breathtaking ocean views. Dance the night away at one of the resort's nightclubs, or simply relax with your significant other and enjoy the magical atmosphere. A weekend of memories. The Tropicana Atlantic City offers a complete vacation experience. From the luxurious accommodations and world-class dining to the thrilling casino floor and endless entertainment options, there's something for everyone at this iconic resort. You'll leave the Tropicana feeling refreshed, entertained, and with a newfound appreciation for the vibrancy of Atlantic City. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway, a fun-filled family vacation, or a weekend of excitement with friends, the Tropicana offers the perfect blend of luxury, entertainment, and relaxation. We hope this video has given you a glimpse into the exciting world of Tropicana Atlantic City. If you're looking for a fun-filled getaway on the Jersey Shore, this iconic resort is definitely worth considering. For more travel adventures and exciting destinations, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy travels! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.